back to my channel. So I found my new go-to everyday unit, and I'm so excited to share this unit with you guys. This is Sky. This is from Hairvivi, and she's a Yaki unit, you guys. And when I tell y'all, she is 100% glueless and fresh out the box and beginner friendly as ever. I 100% mean that. So that was me just unboxing it so you can see that this is fresh out the box, y'all. I have not done anything to this unit, and this is their new upgraded unit. So it fits like a glove, okay? So this is the inside. You get 6 inches of parting space, which is so much. You get the adjustable band like always. It has a little silicone grip in the back. And then this is how the unit comes. Beautifully done, pre-plucked, is bleached, you guys, and you could barely see the lace on this unit. So I just wanted to show you guys fresh out. This is what their 2 new lace colors looks like. It's HD lace, so I'm using Cappuccino. They also removed the fake scalp on their upgraded units, so they no longer have it. They only have their True-scalp tape, which is these 2 things. It's like a medical tape. Did a video a long time ago, but theirs are tinted, so I'm using the lighter shade. And what you do is you just flip your wig inside out and you just put it in your parting area, and it hides the grids, so you can't see the grids, especially when you go out into natural light. So I'm cutting mine because I have a curved part on this unit, and I want to keep that curved part. And then I decided that I wanted to just use a little bit, because why do I need that big old strip? I could just cut it to like the size of the part and save it. So that's what I decided to do. So I'm putting it in like this because I had to cut a little piece in the back because it curved. And then I like to take the front piece and cut it in kind of like an arrow so that you can't see like the bulky sides of the lace, because the hair is thinned back right there, so you won't be able to see it. So I just cut it at a little point so it's pointing in the part, if that makes sense.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting.
So putting the unit on, this is what it looks like, y'all, and the lace is still there. I cut a little bit of the lace off so I could see, but it is still on there. So now I'm removing the lace, and I'm just cutting as close to the hairline as possible, and I'm only removing a tiny bit of the hair from the forehead area because this one fits so good that I didn't have to remove that much because I wasn't losing that much forehead. So I just cut all the lace in just that tiny bit of hair, y'all, and look how good this is like flushed against my skin. This is one of the only places, like one of the only brands where the ear tabs actually fit, and it's because it's their upgraded unit now, so it just fits so freaking good. So I was going to glue it down at first, but then I was like, you know what? I'm going to rock this glueless. So I took the unit off and I put on my lace wig grip so that I could get some more security because I'm not going to glue it down now.
Just as I recall that, ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood that made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya.
So I have the unit back on, and it's definitely more secure now. So now I'm going to take this Lotta Body mousse and get the top a little more flat. So you can either use mousse or you can use a wax stick, but sometimes a wax stick can get a little bit greasy. But with the mousse, you want to use a little at a time, because if you put too much and it gets like too damp, the steam from the flat iron or the pressing comb is going to literally feel like your scalp is melting. So you just want to do a little bit at a time. So I'm just getting the top and the sides super flat, and then I'm going to put the body back in it. So I'm using this Hot Tools 2-inch curler, and then I'm just going to go in with some rollers just to let it set and cool off for a minute. But I'm going to do this to the whole top. I didn't roll the bottom, only the top.
Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill. Can I tell us some real shit? Yeah. In case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings, know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneeling, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did it. come through and chill, chill, chill. Drops how you will. Come through and chill, chill. Just say you will. All night, say it. I want you all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want you all night.
So I took the curlers out and then I ended up using the wax stick anyway because I wanted it to be kind of like more sleek. So I went in with the wax stick and the pressing comb again to get it nice and flat.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it.
And this is what the unit looks like, 100% glueless. I didn't do the back justice at all. I should have curled it a little bit better, but I just wanted to show you guys the thickness of it. It has a good amount of hair, like it is nice and full. And I'm just showing y'all again, look at this lace, look at this hairline. It is not glued down at all. But if you are worried about the sides, like if you want to go glueless, but you're kind of scared like the wind or something is going to blow the ear tabs up, you can either use a little bit of holding spray or do what I'm doing. I just took a little bit of Got2b glue, like literally the tiniest amount, and I'm just going to slick this little sideburn area down, not too much, like just a few hairs, nothing exaggerated, just to keep it from flying up, and it's going to dry down like that, and then you don't have to worry about the side area lifting up. But that is it for this video. I will have everything down below in the description box. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.